Right.
See her red highlights?
Yes.
Could I pull those off, or am I so kidding myself?
I really don't have time for this.
Turkle and eggsy.
With my 9-year-old glioblastoma patient, Eric. He's been in the hospital for a month. I think he deserves a little fun, don't you?
Sorry, Turk.
How bad would you do with highlights?
I know. It is now my turn to hide.
All right. Close the fire up.
I like to remember all the carpal bones in the head of the demonic device.
Hold on, this one.
Triquetrum, pisiform, trapezium, trapezoid, capitate, and hamate. Some lovers try positions that they can't handle.
Hey?
That was not directed at you, Doctor.
Woo!
Should stretch first next time we try the whirly bird.
Excuse me. Does anyone here happen to have a plate of GBs? Because these two just gave me a big old scoop of their GBs. Seriously, it cannot just be me. I want to hear from the audience. I do. Dating in the workplace. She's the boss. He's the pretty intern. Tell me what's bugging you. Courage.
Well, sometimes they arrive in the morning and they smell like sex.
Gloria,
What about you?
telling it like it smells.
I think he's stuck now.
I'm proud of you. Barbie,
You can't put on a
hurt
seat.
you?
Huh?
You might put on a
Is there
seat.
something
He
wrong?
went to your seat.
Actually, yes. It is one of those rare days where you can be of use to me. You speak German. I have a patient from Berlin, and I need to tell the gentleman that he has flu.